Stop watching the video. And yes, I am including this video because nobody likes good things. Nobody likes being told to wake up early. Nobody likes being told to exercise. Nobody likes being told to eat healthy, reduce stress, or change their lifestyle. But today, we are going to talk about something that is more important than comfort, your life. Welcome back to Mithun Diaries. Today's topic is serious, personal, and extremely important. How to keep yourself healthy in a time when heart attacks are increasing rapidly due to modern lifestyle. This is not just another motivational talk, this is a wake up call. Let's begin. First, let's understand what is really happening around us. In recent years, we have been hearing shocking news almost every week. Young people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s collapsing due to heart attacks. These are not just statistics, these are fathers, mothers, friends, colleagues, and neighbors. The biggest question is, why is this happening? The answer is simple but uncomfortable. Our lifestyle has changed faster than our bodies can adapt. We sit more than we move. We eat more processed food than natural food. We sleep less. We stress more. We stare at screens all the day. And slowly, silently, our art pays the price. Let's talk about the biggest enemies of heart health in today's world. The first enemy is a sedentary lifestyle. Many of us sit for 8 to 12 hours a day at work, in cars, and at home. Sitting for long periods slows down metabolism, increases fat accumulation, and weakens the cardiovascular system. Your heart is a muscle. If you don't use it properly, it becomes weak. The second enemy is unhealthy food, fast food, sugary drinks, refined carbohydrates, the processed snacks, and these are everywhere. They are convenient and tasty, but they are loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt. Over time, they clog arteries, increase cholesterol, and raise blood pressure. The third enemy is chronic stress. Modern life is fast and competitive. Work pressure, financial worries, social expectations, and digital overload keeps our stress levels high. Stress releases hormones that increase heart rate and also blood pressure. Constant stress is like running your engine at high speed all the time. Eventually, something breaks. The fourth enemy is lack of sleep. Sleep is not a luxury, it is a biological necessity. Poor sleep disrupts hormones, increases inflammation, and raises the risk of heart diseases. Your heart beats around 1 lakh times a day. It pumps blood, oxygen, and nutrients to every part of your body. When arteries become narrow due to plaque buildup, blood flow decreases. If a blockage occurs, it can lead to heart attack. The scary part is that heart disease often develops silently. You may not feel symptoms until it becomes serious. That's why prevention is more powerful than treatment. The good news is that your body has an incredible ability to heal and strengthen when you give it the right habits. Exercise is one of the most powerful medicines available and it's free. You don't need an expensive gym membership. Start with simple walking. Aim for at least 30 to 45 minutes of brisk walking every day. Walking improves circulation, strengthens the heart, reduces stress, and helps maintain a healthy weight. You can also add strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Strong muscle support, metabolism, and protect joints. Even body weight exercises at home, like squats, push ups, and stretching, can make a very big difference. Consistency matters more than intensity. It's better to do moderate exercise regularly than intense workouts occasionally. Food is fuel. What you eat directly affects how your art functions. Focus on whole, natural foods. Include plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. Healthy fats from sources like nuts and seeds support art function. Reduce processed foods, excessive sugar, and deep fried items. Watch portion sizes. Eating slowly and mindfully helps prevent overeating. Hydration is equally important. Drink enough water throughout the day. Proper hydration supports circulation and energy levels. A healthy heart is connected to a healthy mind. Practice stress management techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, prayer, or spending time in nature. Even 10 minutes of quiet reflection can calm the nervous system. Maintain strong social connections. Talking with friends and family reduces emotional burden. Laughter and meaningful conversations are powerful medicine. Reduce excessive screen time. Constant scrolling on phones and social media overloads the brain, increases anxiety, and reduces real human interaction. Instead, spend time reading magazines, newspapers, and books. Reading improves focus, expands knowledge, and keeps the brain active in a healthy way. Keep updating your skills, especially in modern areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Learning new skills keep the brain sharp, improves career confidence, and gives a sense of purpose. A growing mind supports a healthy body. Cultivate progressive and positive thoughts. Avoid negativity and comparison. Focus on growth, gratitude, and solutions. A calm and optimistic mindset reduces stress hormones that harm the heart. Most importantly, be kind. Kindness toward others and yourself creates emotional balance. Helping someone, showing empathy, and practicing compassion release feel good chemicals in the brain that support both mental and heart health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid heavy meals and screens before bedtime. A dark, quiet room improves sleep quality. Good sleep repairs the body, balances hormones, and prepares the heart for the next day. Prevention also means awareness. Regular medical checkups can detect risk factors early. Monitor blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and body weight. If you have a family history of heart disease, be extra proactive. Early action saves lives. The biggest mistake people make is trying to change everything at once. Sustainable health comes from small, consistent habits. Start with one change: a daily walk, a healthier breakfast, or going to bed earlier. Once that becomes routine, add another improvement. Over time, these small actions create a powerful lifestyle transformation. Remember, health is not a temporary project, it is a lifelong investment. When it comes to a personal responsibility, your art has been working for you since before you were born. It deserves your care and respect. In a world where art attacks are rising and lifestyles are becoming more demanding, choosing health is an act of courage. It requires discipline, awareness, and commitment. If this video made you pause and think about your habits, that's a good sign. Share this message with someone you care about. Sometimes a simple conversation can save a life. Thank you for watching Mithun Diaries. Take care of your art, take care of your body, and most importantly, take care of your life. Health is not built in a day, and it's not lost in a day either. It is shaped quietly by what you do every morning, every meal, every walk, and every choice you make when no one is watching. Staying active is not about having a perfect body, it's about having a body that can carry you through life with strength, energy, and confidence. You don't need extreme routines or expensive plans, just move a little more today than yesterday. Walk when you can, stretch when you feel stiff, Breathe deeply when life feels heavy. These small actions may feel insignificant now, but over time, they become the foundation of healthy, resilient life. Remember, your future self is created by today's habits. Choose movement, choose balance, choose consistency. Your body will thank you quietly and powerfully. And if this message resonated with you, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Mithun Diaries for more real, honest conversations about life, health, and growth. Until the next one, take care of yourself and stay active. Thank you for watching this video. You have a great day. Bye bye.